Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a sandworm effect on Higgsfield AI, and this is what the sandworm effect looks like. So yeah, there are movies that are like this. I think Dune and I can't remember the other movies that have this kind of effect. So all you have to do to create something like this is to go to higgsfield.ai, scroll and choose the app section here. Then you can just scroll and choose the sandworm here. Once you done that, your web page will be brought to a page like this, and you can upload your image in this area. We can see an example of the image that was uploaded here, and then we can see the effects created using that particular image. So all you have to do is, to after uploading your image, select the video here, click on generate video. This says your request will cost you 26 credit. Do not worry, because EXVideo will allow you to create if about one or two effects for free after you sign up on the account. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the